Today I'm going to paint this very quick sketch, and actually it's a present for my friend. That's a special card and also the envelope. And if I open it, I can write anything I want to congratulate her. So let's start to play a bit with watercolors, and it will take you 5-10 minutes maximum. Wish you good luck. I'm going to make a super quick sketch, and I think that I'm going to use different warm yellows and perhaps a bit of orange. Some synthetic brush with very good and fine point. Yeah. Let's start with the lemon. Lemon usually has lemon yellow. That's a sketch, so it's not on wet, but just as the idea. Like that. A bit of warm. And also a bit of dark yellow. So you can use either orange or yellow. For this place, I want to try wet on wet. So I'm not wetting only the glass, so especially this upper part. You can use also a bit bigger brush for watering. And make sure that your water is clean, because mine is not clean enough, but I'm already in the process, so I cannot stop anymore. So some warmish. And even more warmish. Blending is also possible if you want, just with some natural brush. It can be bigger brush, smaller brush. Mine is rather big. This one. Yeah, it blended here. Perfect, look. I love it. Some oranges here and here down. Blending here. This is just clean dry brush and I'm blending. That's the illusion of the cubes, ice cubes. Because they are usually lighter than the liquid. Just very thick paint and coming around to add these, so to say, rectangles or squares. And even a bit of red. But only down. Red is only down. I want to make some splashes For that, I'm going to use some bristle brush. Bristle brushes are like that. So this is actually the brushes for oils or for acrylics. Like this. And in order to show the glass, the illusion of glass, I'm going to use lavender. I love this color. It's a really special color. It contains a bit of white inside, just as the illusion, yeah, just a bit. So not everywhere, but just here, and also a bit here. Just some line. And that's it. Perhaps I will make a bit more splashes when the paper is a bit drier, so that I also have splashes on absolutely dry paper. So I'm waiting a bit, and then I make splashes. You can do any color with this technique. You can make a green cocktail or yellow or red. So just adding different hues of colors and the illusion of these cubes, and then yeah, you are done. So I wish you good luck with that. That's really an amazing thing to do, especially for, yeah, as a present to somebody. Yes. Yeah. So good luck with it, and I hope you enjoy it.